Live in Branson, vacation in Branson, invest in Branson. Homes on Cottonwood are your home away from home, tucked away in a serene surrounding filled with timbers right in the heart of Branson. Cottonwood homes have been featured in 417 magazine as an energy-efficient fortress. Location is a key token to your success for a vacation rental property. Half-acre woodlots for privacy, no HOA fees, no management restrictions, all in a luxury nightly rental community. Insulated concrete form construction, LP siding, spray foam insulation with high-end finishes have been precisely calculated with low maintenance and longevity for your investment in mind. 5 bedrooms all the way up to 12-bedroom floor plans are available, or allow us to bid your custom plans for you. Not only do we offer a luxury product, but a location that is prime for your investment portfolio.